Do you feel like you don't speak enough Urdu? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Aap haseen hain. You're beautiful. So guys, this word haseen, it's conveying the meaning of beautiful, pretty, lovely. You can definitely not use it for any guy. Mostly it is used for girls. So if you want to use it for a guy, you have to use another Urdu word that is wajih. And in English we say, you're handsome. Aap zaheen hain. You're smart. Aap ek shandar dost hain. You're an awesome friend. आपका अंदर आपके बाहर से भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. I think this is one hell of a compliment if you can get it from someone. आपकी तजुर्बे की फहरिस्त मुतासिर कुन है. Your resume is impressive. बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Great job. These kind of compliments like great job, good job, and saying it in Urdu, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, it's quite common in Pakistan, and you can not only use it in the office environment, but you can use it also for people working for you at your house, or you would hear mothers also saying it to their kids for any task they do at home. ये jacket आप पर अच्छी लगती है. This jacket looks nice on you. आपकी पसंद अच्छी है. You have a good taste. This sentence can also mean your choice is good. आपकी मुस्कुराहट खूबसूरत है. Your smile is beautiful. Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys, you really need to know this one because anywhere you go, you will definitely need a map, especially if you're planning to visit the northern area of the north side of the Pakistan. So you would definitely need to get a map. So it's a really handy phrase to learn. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकती हैं? Do you speak English? I think this is one of the easiest questions you can ask anyone. The taxi drivers and the people working in the restaurant, they might not have the perfect English, but everybody, I think, have broken English, sort of, and they could pick words from your conversation, and they can easily help you, I think. So it's a good question to know. क्या हवाई अड्डे से शहर तक कोई बस है? Is there a bus from the airport to the city? I would recommend you to change the word bus to a taxi because taxi is a more preferred mode of transportation in Pakistan. The buses are not actually in a very good condition, so you might want to try the taxi or a car rather than travel by bus to the city. क्या Wi-Fi मुफ्त है? Is the Wi-Fi free? Well, here's a good news for you guys. Actually, most of the times in all the restaurants, the Wi-Fi is free if they have any. क्या आपके पास आज रात कोई खाली जगह है? Do you have any vacancies tonight? Well, I think it's a very good question because you'll be needing it a lot, especially in the busy season, which is the summers for the north side of Pakistan, which is most famous for having summer vacations as it's a cooler place. So yeah, it's a good question to know, and you can practice it many times before you start using it with people. क्या मैं मुख्तलिफ कमरे में मुंतकिल हो सकती हूँ? क्या मैं मुख्तलिफ कमरे में मुंतकिल हो सकता हूँ? Could I move to a different room? Well, I think Pakistani people are very friendly, and hopefully they will help you if you ask them or request them for changing your room or transferring to another room, especially if you want a smoking or no smoking room. I think it's good to know these kind of phrases. And if you have seen our other videos, I think you can learn more about the vocabs about using a cigarette or not to use a cigarette or stuff like that. So just check our other videos. बराहे मेहरबानी हमें मेन्यू मिल सकता है? Could we have the menu, please? It's a very polite and simple sentence to use in any kind of restaurant or hotel or even a food stall. So just try it, and I think it's very easy for people to understand. Meri ek booking hai. I have a reservation. So you just check into your hotel, and if you tell them that you have a reservation, you're good to go for the rest of your vacations.
आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाला नहीं हूँ. आपका शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं असल में पैदाइशी बोलने वाली नहीं हूँ. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. I would say it would be quite a compliment if you can receive that kind of appreciation after learning Urdu from urdupod101.com. मैं 3 साल में एक मकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगा. मैं 3 साल में एक मकामी बोलने वाले की तरह उर्दू बोलूँगी. I will speak Urdu like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ. मैं 10 साल से उर्दू सीख रही हूँ. I have been learning Urdu for 10 years. मैं subtitles के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकता हूँ. मैं subtitles के बगैर पाकिस्तानी फिल्में देख सकती हूँ. I can watch Pakistani movies without subtitles. Wow, that's quite impressive, I think. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. मैं उर्दू के तकरीबन 50 नए अल्फाज एक दिन में याद कर सकती हूँ. I can memorize around 50 new Urdu words in a day. उर्दू मज़ेदार है और सीखने में आसान है. Urdu is fun and easy to learn. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकता हूँ. उर्दू जानने के अलावा मैं चंद दीगर ज़बानें भी बोल सकती हूँ. Apart from knowing Urdu, I can speak a few other languages as well. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रहा हूँ. मैं तमाम उर्दू खुद से सीख रही हूँ. I'm learning Urdu all by myself.
Want to speak real Urdu from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at urdupod101.com.
Hello. 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 आप कैसे हैं? Hi. How are you? So hi and hello is basically the same thing in Urdu, and we translate it as hello. It's a very casual word, and you can use it with your friends, family, with anyone, I guess.
So the next word is mahina, month. आप इस महीने क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing this month? It's a very good word to know and quite easy to use in any kind of conversation. For example, ये कौन सा महीना है? Which month is this?
दोपहर बखैर, good afternoon. दोपहर बखैर, दोपहर का खाना खा लिया? Good afternoon. Have you done lunch? I think this word is not very commonly used in Pakistan. Instead, I would recommend to use Assalamu alaikum or hello whenever you meet some person. You don't have to keep track of time as in like good morning, good afternoon, or good night. It's not very common.
Next word is billi, cat. मेरे पास पालतू बिल्ली है. I have a pet cat. A lot of people in Pakistan have cats as a pet animal. It's very common because people don't like to have dogs as a pet in Pakistan. So you would see a lot of people having cats instead of dogs.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? You can use this sentence with anyone. Any new person you meet, just ask the question.
फूल, flower. उसने मुझे फूल दिए. He gave me flowers. Yeah, it would be good to get some flowers for sure.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. Probably you'll be using it a lot in your formal meetings with new people.
So the next word is यकीन करना, to believe. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा, मेरी आपसे मुलाकात हो गई. I cannot believe I met you. Yeah, it would be awesome to know this word when you're meeting your idol, as in singers or actors. So yeah, keep an eye.
मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, और आप? I'm fine, thanks, and you? So you can use this sentence to ask the other person when you reply that you are okay.
तस्वीर, photograph. मैं आपके साथ एक तस्वीर उतार सकता हूँ. मैं आपके साथ तस्वीर उतार सकती हूँ. Can I take a picture with you? So you would have noticed that I used the word sakta hu and sakti hu in the same sentence. As I said that in Urdu we have a very clear definition of masculine and feminine nouns. So that was the thing I was repeating again for you. So if you're a guy, you would say sakta hu. But if you're a girl, you would say sakti hu. But the noun itself, tasweer, that wouldn't be changed. Ji haan. Yes. Ustad, आपने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है? Teacher, have you finished your work? शागिर्द, जी हाँ. Student, yes. Basically, when you need to give your consent to someone, when you just need to nod, when you just need to say yes, so you can use this word, ji haan. If you're in an informal setting, like with your friends or family, sometimes you can just say हाँ. खानदान, family. मेरा पूरा खानदान आपका परिस्तार है. My whole family is a fan of you. Really? Okay. I would just like to say one more thing over here, that as the Pakistani community is getting more educated day by day, we have more English words in Urdu. So many people use the word family as in family in Urdu. They don't use the word khandan. For example, मैं अपनी family के साथ जाऊंगा. I will go with my family. So they wouldn't say मैं अपने खानदान के साथ जाऊंगा. The word khandan is exactly right and has the exact translation as in English family. But what I'm saying is that we have now lots of words from English and you can just use those words as it is. ठीक है. Okay. ये आपके साथ ठीक है? Is it okay with you? This word is very commonly used in Pakistan. Mostly people use it at the end of almost all the sentences just to give their consent that they are okay with it. So, ठीक है, ठीक है, okay, ठीक है. Talash karna, to find. As I explained previously, that we tend to use the verb karna in conjunction with many other verbs. I'll give you a sentence. Sui talash karna mushkil hai. It's hard to find the needle. Karna gives or implies the meaning of to do. Kya waqt hua hai? What time is it? You can use this sentence to ask time. Any part of the day is okay. Puchna, to ask. Usse pata puche. Ask him for the address. It's a good word to know if you're a tourist in Pakistan because you'll be asking for the locations a lot, and people are quite kind to let you know the exact location of the place. But apart from that, you also use this word a lot in our daily conversation because Pakistani people have a kind of joint family system and you tend to ask many things from your parents. So it's a good word to know anyway. Kuch der intezar kare. Wait a moment. It's a very formal sentence and I think it's a good one to remember. Dakhil hona, to enter. Kamre mein dakhil ho jaएं. Enter the room. Barahe meherbani, mujhe check mil sakta hai. Could I get the check, please? There's more than one way of saying it. Instead of the word check, you can also use the word bill. Bill is the same as in English bill, like the billing. So I would recommend using that word more often. It's more understandable and more commonly used. Koshish karna, to try. उसे ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करें. Try to finish it. बाद में मिलते हैं. See you later. अभी मैं मसरूफ़ हूँ. बाद में मिलते हैं. I'm busy at the moment. See you later. This phrase is very commonly used among friends. बुलाना, to call. उसे यहाँ बुलाओ. Call him here. I would like to point it out that this word bulana, as I translate it, to call, does not mean to call someone through a telephone or a smartphone. It just means calling a person in person to your office or to your place. If I have to say that I'm going to call him, I will translate it as मैं उसे call करूँगा. I would not say मैं उसे बुलाऊँगा because bulana means to verbally in person ask someone to come.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.